If you are running a business, one question is always on your mind. Am I spending money in the right place? Tools like GoHighLevel sounds amazing, but the real question is, can it actually save you money and help your business grow? Today we are going to break it down the ROI of the GoHighLevel and see how much it could potentially save you and why so many businesses are making the switch. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to make a smarter decision without getting overwhelmed. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for free trial so you can test GoHighLevel for yourself. And if you use my link from the description, you can use the free trial up to 30 days instead of the 14 days. Okay, now let's get back to the video. GoHighLevel is not just one tool. It's like a whole suite of marketing and business software and in a bundled into just one platform. Just think of it as like a email marketing, SMS campaign, funnel, CRM, pipeline, appointment booking, workflow, automation, reporting, all under just one roof. Normally, businesses would pay for each of these separately, which could easily cost thousands of dollars per month. But with GoHighLevel, you can get all of these things in just one single platform, which already starts to saving you money. Now let's talk about the time, because time is the money. GoHighLevel automates repetitive tasks like lead, follow-up, the appointment reminders, and the abandoned cart message, and the client onboarding. What usually takes hours of manual work every week, that can now happen automatically. This means you can either focus on growing your business or reduce your staffing cost, which is another way the platform saves money indirectly. Now next, consider the missed opportunities. How many leads or clients do you lose because you forgot to follow up or a client did not respond on the time? GoHighLevel keeps your leads engaged by the automation and automatically sending personalized messages at the right time, and it increases the conversion rate without hiring extra staff or spending on additional marketing tools. When you multiply that by even a few clients for a month, the saving can be significant. Another area is the client management. With all your contact and the sales pipeline and the communications in one place, you don't need the multiple of the 5 or 6 apps. This reduces the subscription cost and simplify your workflow, which also save money and avoid the wasted effort. So in short, the ROI of GoHighLevel comes from a combination of reduced software cost and save time and better lead conversions, and obviously more organized client management. Businesses often see the platform pay for itself within a few months just from these efficiencies. So if you want to experience the savings firsthand, check the link in the description for the free trial, for the 30 days free trial. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. And you can share this video with a business owner or someone who need this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.